Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is February 25, 2024, Sunday. So as always, in the weekends, we discuss about global markets, commodities, currencies, the commodities and currencies in 3 parts, right? So we are going to discuss in 3 parts for the global market performance for the week of February 19, Monday till February 23, 2024, that is till Friday, into 3 parts. As always, the part 1 of the video will be discussing about the global indices, that is Dow, Nasdaq, S&P FTSE and CBOE weeks. In part of the video, we discuss dollar index and its components and also USD INR. Then in part 3 of the video, or the third video, whichever way you want to call, we discuss about US 10-year Treasury yield, then Brent and NYMEX. So first we go into the levels. Dow closed at 39,153.53, 1.4% up this week. Nasdaq 15,996.82, 1.4% up this week. S&P 5088.80, 1.7% up this week. FTSE remained flat at 7706.28. Overall for this year, Dow is up around 4%, while Nasdaq and S&P both are up around 6.6, 6.7% respectively. FTSE is flat. So what happened? If you recollect, I have been telling that this month it has been on a solid up move. So this is the 4th month in succession in the monthly chart. It is showing strong up move in the Bollinger upper band. It is nicely riding along the Bollinger upper band. That's a delight to watch. However, there is always a caveat of caution over there, because any fall, the fall will be very big from there, because it's like a Humpty Dumpty set on a wall. But for time being, it's on a significant up move in the monthly chart. That is when I say the 3 indices, that is Dow, Nasdaq and S&P, because FTSE movement is different. So we'll discuss these 3 things together. So it's on a significant up move in the monthly chart. It is riding along the Bollinger upper band in the monthly chart. That means bulls are in so much control of the market, and it's in a terrific bull grip. That's what one can say. So in the weekly chart, last week it formed a doji. We thought that there will be some pullback. Bulls are losing some control. But as they say, right, tiger is hiding not for out of fear, but it is to pounce. So same thing happened. In the first 2 days, market slightly fell. Then it jumped up in the daily chart, which translated into a solid green candle, a continuation candle in the weekly chart in all the 3 indices. In the daily chart, as I said, it is on a significant up move. move. So unless otherwise something happens or till the next month comes, we will have this up move continued for the next 4 days, because the next 4 days the month is going to end. Hence we expect the month to end on a very strong note of all the three indices. Of course, in the daily chart, it is above the Bollinger upper band. So then that means next 3-4 days it will ride along the upper band, or it will just hover there. But overall, there is a strong strength, there is a strong up move in all the three indices. FTSE, on the other hand, if you recollect, I have been telling that FTSE is 2024 is going to be a year of FTSE. This month, last month, if you recollect, that is in the month of January, it formed a solid red candle, but with a long lower leg. We had said that that lower leg is going to act as a protection for the entire year, or I mean, it need not be till the end of the year. Any down move to that level, that will act as a support. Precisely that is what is happening. Till now in the monthly chart, it has formed a green candle, a kind of a bullish harami, I would call. Last week, if you recollect, I had said that it has taken out the 50-day simple moving average, 50-day exponential moving average, and also the 50-week simple moving average. So that was acting as a resistance. It has decisively taken out last week itself. I would request people to see my last week's video. This week, it did a continuation of it by forming a doji. So it is definitely a continuation pattern, not a reversal. And in the daily chart, it is reflected very clearly that it's an up move. After it formed a first reversal from the Bollinger upper band, and it came close to the exponential moving average and the Bollinger middle band. From there, it just bounced off. The last 2 days, it's on a good up move. So hence, FTSE is going to have a fantastic up move in the second part of the year, or probably starting April onwards, we'll have a fantastic up move in FTSE. Hence, we feel that FTSE, we maintain our position that FTSE is on a strong up move. And as far as CBOE weeks is concerned, last week it formed a solid green candle with a very big upper wick. This week it followed up with a small solid red candle. It's a kind of a pullback candle, not a reversal candle. There's a difference, huge difference between a pullback and a reversal candle. But this candle it has formed in the weekly chart is a bearish harami or bearish engulf type of candle. Notwithstanding that, it is more of a continuation pattern than a reversal. As we had said, it closed at 13.75. In the monthly chart, it has formed a doji with a long upper wick, because last week it formed a very big upper wick, which is reflected in the monthly chart. And in the daily chart, though it was near the upper band, it has come near the lower band. But as you have been maintaining for quite some time, that 9.8 to 10.2 levels will act as a fantastic support for CBOE weeks, and we expect the up move to resume probably in the next 1 or 2 months. That is what it is. Thank you very much. We'll see in part 2 of the video or second video, where we'll be discussing about dollar index and its components.